Hello, we're doing lesson 15 today. Make sure you have that packet ready to go. I will tell you that this video is going to be rather short because the fluency piece for lesson 15 is actually included in the Eureka video. So this one will be short, only explaining what you're doing, some things that you need to make, and how you should do your exit ticket for lesson 15. So of course you need to start with your 1 minute fluency practice. Once you have completed that 1 minute fluency practice, you're going to correct it when I show you the key. You're also wanting to make sure that that score is going up as you move on to the next fluency practice. And again, that one will be for 1 minute. And hopefully you had an improved score as you do this one. I would like to remind you that once you're done with the fluency practice, depending on where you got to, maybe you got to number 30, you do need to finish the balance of those. These are such excellent practice for second graders, so make sure that once you've done the 1 minute timing that you're taking the time to finish those that you did not get completed. Parents, that's your job to do that. Okay, and then you are going to, after you've watched the Eureka video, the professionally made one, you are going to do problem set 15. It will be very easy to understand after having watched that video. And you are going to, well actually she is doing problem set 15 with you on the video, so you'll need to have that ready to go. When you do the homework, problem set 15, and I just wanted to tell you on problem set 15 there is one for you to do on your own, but problem number 4 you can skip. This one would not be applicable to what we are doing, so I'm going to tell you to skip problem number 4 on the problem set. Now here's an interesting little note. When you get to the homework page, this is actually going to be your exit ticket, and I'll explain that in a few minutes. So this will be the one that you'll be sending to your teacher as your exit ticket. I know that hasn't happened before, but circumstances are such with the exit ticket that the team of second grade teachers decided that would be the best for this particular one. Please be aware that before you start the Eureka video that you cut out this less than, greater than, and equal to template, and also the 10 numbers that are there. You will need that for part of your lesson on the Eureka video. And as I said, the exit ticket for number 15 is doesn't really fit well for what we're doing with distance learning, so we would prefer that your exit ticket for lesson 15 is the 3 problems on the homework page 58. So that was an interruption from the office. So your exit ticket for lesson 15 is the 3 problems on the homework page, which is page 58, and that is what you will need to send to your teacher. So at this point, I'm going to tell you that this lesson might not take as long as some of the other ones have taken, owing to the fact that this particular problem is going to be worked on the Eureka video, and yeah, I think you'll find it's kind of fun what they have you do. So I'm going to have you pause the video. You're going to need to go and do the Eureka video and then come back to this one because it will show you the answer key for the pages that you need to have. So you're going to, at this time, you're going to pause the video, stop the video, go watch the Eureka video, and then come back to this for the answers to the things that you need. Okay, pause the video and go watch the Eureka video. Okay, here you're probably back now. Here is the key to the sprint for lesson 15. You can pause the video and check your students' work. Be certain that they also complete any that they didn't get done during the sprint. So pause the video to check. And then we're moving on to the sprint for side B. Same thing, you're going to pause the video, check your students' work, and make sure they finish any that they didn't get done. And the answer key for 15 should have been pretty straightforward because they were done on the video with the teacher from Eureka, but I will put that up just in case maybe you, for whatever reason, you should have done this with her on the video. Then I'm going to turn over to the next page. This one right here you did have to do on your own. It was pretty straightforward. Let's see, I did not underline the question there. So here is the solution that you needed for that one. And remember, number 4 you could skip. And I'm not going to show you the homework one because that was supposed to be your exit ticket. And yeah, and hopefully you have already sent your exit ticket to your teacher, which was the 3 problems on lesson 15 homework page on page 58. Okay, you have a great day and we'll talk to you later.